fresh out boost. If they want the drama, got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise. Doing shit you don't even see him move. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard head, but her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, told her plank on it.
And you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone.
Now you want chills, just pop bubbly in the cruise.
It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. Ooh. I'm gonna sip on this track when I'm fucked up. I should know how to pick it. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, she tipsy. I had enough combo for 24. I peeped you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like go-go, hey. And you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Right now, if I can get time, never hearing nobody. I got a little dream, but it's not good. If you love the ground, then I'm so sorry. I gotta give it to her like the end of marriage. Oh, like the end of marriage. No, tell nobody. You're on your level too, tryna do what nobody do.
You ain't enough for me, too much for you. Alone, baby, go and grab some bad bitches, bring them home. You know the jet's on me, I'ma curb my best for you. You know, so pick up that dress for me, leave the rest on me. Too much combo, 24 hours when you stand next to me, 24 hours. She left her man at home, she don't love him no more. I want your mind and your body, don't mind nobody, so you'll never hurt nobody. Baby, gon' work your body, work your body.
And you are unforgettable. I need to get you alone.
Now you want choose, just pop bubbly in the cruise.
Oh, like the end of marriage. No, tell nobody. On your level too, tryna do what lovers do.
Sorry if I look a little lost. I just keep my head up in the clouds, yeah. Give it to her however she wants. Told her that she gotta keep it down, though, yeah. I could do this shit like every night. Grab your friends and pull them to the side, yeah. Never been so busy in my life. Told me that she wouldn't do it twice now, yeah. Honestly, she needs a little loving. Fucking now I'm getting up the socks, yeah. I just think she needs a little something, or someone to get into heavy talks with, yeah. Everybody's eating on the walls. I don't think they're ready for the fall. Had a little, now she wanting more. Told her that I gotta make some calls. This just might be one hell of a night. Come with me, we got a good side. Everybody's eating on the walls. Fuck it, I might take a little more now. Life is getting busy every day. Take a little more to stay awake now, yeah. She been busy digging out a grave, telling me that I gotta behave now, yeah. Honestly, she needs a little loving. Fucking now I'm getting off the subject, yeah. I just think she needs a little something, or someone to get into heavy talks with, yeah. Everybody's eating on the walls. I don't think they're ready for the fall. Had a little, now she wanting more. Told her that I gotta make some calls. This just might be one hell of a night. Come with me, we gonna go aside. Everybody's eating on the walls. Fuck it, I might take a little more now.
surface, you walk around naked. I might just text you. Turn your phone over when it's all over. No settling down, my texts go to your screen. You know better than that, I come around when you least expect me. I'm sitting at the bar when your glass is empty. You thinking that the song's coming on to tempt me. I need to be alone like the way you left me. You start calling, you start crying. I come over, I'm inside you. I can't find you, the girl that I once had. But the sex that we have isn't half bad. Text say that it's not fair. That's cold boy, he's not here. And I'ma flirt with this new girl, and I'ma call if it don't work. So we fuck till it comes to conclusions. All the things that we thought we were losing. I'm a ghost and you know this. That's why we broke up in the first place. Cause
I want you to know that I'm ready to go. Heartbeat, my heartbeat. I want you to know whenever you are around. Can't speak, I can't speak. I want you to know that I'm ready to go. Heartbeat, my heartbeat. I want you to know whenever you are around. Can't speak, I can't speak.
it's late night Thursday. I know that you heard me, but you don't want the same thing. Well, two can play that game. So I'm chilling with my girlfriend, but she not my real girlfriend. She got a key to my place, but she not my real girlfriend. Stupid, so dummy. Say the wrong thing and wrong girls come running. I'm paranoid that these girls want something from me, and it's hard to make a dime go 100. And my dude freaking out over a worst fate. She on time, but she late for their first date. Cause he went and tried out a new condom, slipped off in a threesome. Good problems, right, wrong. Asking them if she wanna play games with the Super Smash Brothers, but none of them you. I miss the sex where you kiss whenever you're through. 69 is the only dinner for two. I was wrong, but would you have listened to you? You were crazy. I got a heart, but the artichoke is the only thing girls want when you in that smoking like.
I want you to know that I am ready to go. Heartbeat, my heartbeat. I want you to know whenever you are around. Can't speak, I can't speak. I want you to know that I am ready to go. Heartbeat, my heartbeat. I want you to know whenever you are around. Can't speak, I can't speak.
So we're done? This the real shit? We used to hold hands like field trips. I'm a jerk, but your dude is a real dick. I read his post on your wall and I feel sick. He ain't cool, he ballin' all that, but he's just a fake nigga who blogging all cats. You couldn't wait today. I'm going straight for your thighs like the cake you ate. I give a fuck about the niggas that you say you ate. You know that I'm the best when I'm a fake Sinead. I'm the best that you had, face it. Jay and Keisha are related, racist. I give you money, then you burn it, then you made off. She ain't a killer, but she'll fucking blow your head off. I know he wondering what the fuck you hiding. That we dated like rats about Bin Laden. Hey yo, fuck this. Are we dating? Are we fucking? Are we best friends? Are we something in between that? I wish we never fucked and I mean that. But not really. You say the nastiest shit in bed and it's fucking awesome.
Honorable C note.
Metro.
Keep the bitch jump, keep it on jump, keep the bitch jump, I got it cool for a 10. The bitch get loose, she tryna win. I beat her by the house, I beat her in. It's 40 in the couch, I let it spin. When the car's lit, better call in. She done popped all out, she done called twin. I done went to spaz that I put the raw in. I done hit the strip club instead of talk 10. The shawty out of Glico, she be coming hot just like a heat stroke. I can see you lurking through the peephole. I'm stacking different money type of seat notes. I'm talking seat notes, nigga hit seat notes. You spend what you want and you get what you want. I guess you got what you wanted. You're hitting the pole and you give it your all and you keeping it honest. It's too many nights and we're nameless. It's too many nights and we're famous. It's too many nights and we're brainless. Say, they can't jump, keep the bitch jump, keep the bitch jump, I got it cool, 14. what you wanted. You're hitting the pole and you give it your all and you keeping it honest. It's too many nights and we're nameless. It's too many nights and we're famous. It's too many nights and we're brainless. Say they keep jump, keep it on jump, keep it on jump.
Take a vanilla whenever you ride with me. It ain't like I'm asking you to ride for free. From trapping to rapping, need to be proud of me. Back out the studio and throw parties. Money coming too fast, I can't slow down. Feel like I'm running from my past, I can't slow down. So many nights about to crash. Now I'm buying the foreigns all cash. I can't slow down.